Hey guys, what's going on? Bringing another video today on the channel. So today we're going to pick up a special part or two, whichever you want to call it, based on the number of pieces it comes in. So my buddy Tony, he's got some clutch parts that I need. So we're gonna head over to him today. We're gonna scoop them up and it's gonna be perfect for the build that we have going on. These parts may give away what we're going to be using transmission wise, but that'll be for you to find out later. And also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. All right, thank you. Hey guys, so what's going on? So we got the clutch and the flywheel from Tony. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. So we've got ARP bolts for the flywheel. We got the Mcleod stainless steel clutch line, OEM throwout bearing. So I want to show you what we have working here. And here we go. Here's the guts and the glory. So this is the alignment tool and 26 spline. So all right, here we go. So this is a lightened aluminum flywheel. So this is going to be good. And it's got 6-bolt pattern. So that should give you a couple of clues. This is literally mint. So if you know anything about 3 valves, you'd know 3 valves are flywheel have 6-bolt pattern. The GT500 has an 8 flywheel pattern. So being the fact that a normal GT 3 valve has a 10 spline and this has 26, hopefully you have deducted what we're going to use for a transmission. If you haven't, well, you get to stick around and watch some more. But I'm going to put this all back together and throw it in the car, and we're gonna call it a day. So stay tuned, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe down below for more content. Thank you. Hey guys, so that's gonna wrap up videos for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below to stay up to date on every upload, and we'll see you later.
Hey, bye-bye.